The world of smartphones is constantly evolving, but few devices have generated as much anticipation and excitement as the Google Pixel 9 series, which officially launched in August 2024. As technology enthusiasts and everyday users alike look for the next big leap in mobile innovation, the Pixel 9 delivers in ways that are both impressive and highly practical. Brought to you by High-Tech Gadgets News, this review update dives into the latest features, pricing, and what truly sets the Pixel 9 series apart in 2025. At the heart of the Pixel 9's appeal is its deep integration with Gemini, Google's latest and most advanced artificial intelligence system. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's the driving force behind the Pixel 9's most remarkable features. With Gemini, users can experience tools like Magic Editor, which allows seamless photo modification simply through text prompts. Imagine capturing a photo and then editing out unwanted elements or shifting the mood of the image, all by describing your vision in words. Another standout, Add Me, lets you retroactively add people into photos, ensuring that no one is left out of your most cherished memories, even if they weren't present when the picture was originally taken. Battery life remains a critical consideration for any modern smartphone, and the Pixel 9 addresses this head-on. With a robust 24-hour battery life, users can navigate their day with confidence, knowing their device will keep up with their pace. This extended battery longevity is a direct response to consumer demand for less frequent charging and more reliable performance throughout the day. Moving to camera capabilities, Google continues its tradition of pushing the envelope. The Pixel 9 is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera sensor and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Whether capturing vivid landscapes or detailed close-ups, the image quality across varying lighting conditions is exceptional. For photography enthusiasts who demand even more, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL models introduce a 48-megapixel telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom and the ability to record 8K video at 30 frames per second. These enhancements make the Pixel 9 series a compelling choice for those who use their smartphones as their primary camera, ensuring that every shot is crisp, vibrant, and professional grade. Pricing for the Pixel 9 series reflects their premium capabilities, with the standard Pixel 9 starting at $799 for the 128GB model. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL are priced at $999 and $1,019, respectively, catering to users seeking top-tier performance and features. Each model is designed to meet different user preferences, balancing affordability with the very latest advancements in mobile technology. An important note for tech-savvy users: unlocking the bootloader on the Pixel 9, often done to allow deeper customization, may disable some of the AI-powered features, such as pixel screenshots and call notes. This is a crucial consideration for those who like to personalize their devices, as these innovative features can be restored by relocking the bootloader, ensuring access to the full suite of AI tools. As of July 2025, the Pixel 9 has solidified its place as a leading option in the competitive smartphone market. It's a device that doesn't just keep up with the pace of technological change, it sets the standard. With its blend of powerful AI integration, industry-leading camera technology, and user-friendly design, the Google Pixel 9 is more than just a smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of personal technology, where convenience, creativity, and intelligence are seamlessly woven together. For adults seeking the best in high-tech gadgets, the Pixel 9 series is a standout choice. Stay tuned with High-Tech Gadgets News for continuous updates, expert reviews, and the latest news on groundbreaking devices shaping our digital lives. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.